Hello. I have this tree here to show you. I started this project 1 year ago. The YouTube date for the project is April 27th, so most probably it was like almost exactly 1 year ago. And I wired the tree. And today I'm going to remove the wires and I'm going to show you some places where the wire is already biting the trunk. And this is a sign that I need to remove it. This tree was one of the first trees that I shaped. This is spruce. And you can see that the wire is already biting the trunk in some places, so it's really important to remove the wire now ahead of further damage. So let's start doing this. There are two ways to remove the wire. Either I try to keep the wire and I do not cut it, something like this. So this wire, I believe it's grabbing the tree to the pot. I'm not going to repot the tree today, so I'm going to cut the wire. The wire did its job. The movement that I created with the wire on the trunk is holding. I'm going to wire this branch here and this branch here together. So 1 year was time enough, long enough for the spruce to hold the shape. And I don't think that I'm going to do anything else. I'm going to leave it this way. And maybe by the end of this summer or somewhere during the summer I will get back to it and decide if there's something else that I should do or if I should keep it growing. That's it. Have a great week.